Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Counseling. Okay, so after so many months, I'm uploading this video just for the fact that due to COVID situations, I was not taking career counseling because the schools and colleges were affected. Okay, and as you know, how was the situation during all this months for career counseling? Okay, so I have a good news, guys. I have actually started taking, bookings for career counseling, motivational counseling, relationship counseling now. Okay, and people are actually, coming to for the sessions for booking career counseling for, undergraduations, for post graduations, for entrance exams, and for PhD people. Okay, so they are actually, booking career counselings with me and motivational counseling because of the fact that the people who are going through some depression issues, anxiety issues, a lot of problems they are facing nowadays. Some are very aggressive during this time, during this COVID situations, and they don't know how to balance their emotions. Okay, so they are booking motivational counselings with me, and there are also people who are booking the relationship therapies with me on WhatsApp video calls. Okay, so all these sessions are conducted via WhatsApp video calls. Okay, so guys, if you really wish to book career counseling sessions at rupees 1000 only, it's just a one time investment, like not one time, but for one session I'm taking rupees 1000 for career counseling. For motivational counseling also it's rupees 1000. Okay, for relationship therapies and sessions, I take the sessions like within 1 week I'm taking 4 days sessions. Okay, like it's a Monday, then Wednesday, then Friday, and then Sunday. Okay, so for a month I'm costing it's rupees 5000. Okay, so if you really wish to book sessions nationally and internationally, the details will be given either in the description box below on my YouTube channel, or else on the Facebook page in the caption box above. Okay, so the details will be mentioned in INR, in Indian rupees as well, or else in USD, United States dollars. Okay, so like US dollars. Okay, so if you wish to book the sessions, the entries are started and the career counseling sessions have been started to book. So if you were waiting for the right time, this is the right time. You can book your sessions for career counseling, motivational counseling, and relationship counseling as well. Okay, so yes guys. Okay, bye bye, take care. And also, if you wish to have a business consultancy with me at rupees 5000 for 1 month, you can join my session. If you want to have 1 month workshop with me, so if you are thinking about having business consultancy, how to start a business, how to convert an idea into a beautiful startup. Okay, so you can contact me for 1 month session. And there I am from converting to an idea into implementation. I'm going to tell you all the details: business planning, business strategy, business implementation, business execution. Okay, so if you want to have a business consultancy workshop with me for a month, same time, like in 1 week 4 sessions will be conducted via WhatsApp video call. Okay, so you can book that session also for business consultancy. Also, one more thing guys, if you want to uh, uh, understand the things, also one more thing, due to this COVID situation during this year, a lot of career situations has been changed. Okay, as you all know, everything is happening online. Okay, so this time I'm also going to tell you the rules, regulations, how colleges are accepting the selecting the students, and what's the process, what are the cutoff percentage, and which colleges are doing best during this year for the admission. If you really want to have those details with me, so you can click on the sessions, you can check out the description on YouTube channel, you can check out the caption on my Facebook page, you can check out the description box of my Instagram. Okay, whichever video wherever you will see it, it will be uploaded on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so kindly check out, kindly contact with me for booking the sessions, for booking the counseling sessions with me, career counseling, motivational counseling, relationship therapies, or business consultancies. Okay, so if you want to book a session with me one-on-one, personally, on my WhatsApp video call, so you can have the sessions with me, you can book my sessions. Also, one more thing, the sessions will be conducted via WhatsApp video calls. Okay, so that one important changes I have to do, not a Skype this time, because Skype is a, is a China product, and most of the users have boycotted it. So I'm going to use WhatsApp video call, safe plus easy also for everyone. So you can, the sessions will be conducted via WhatsApp video call, so you can book on the session with me. Okay, so yeah, one important update, the sessions, I have started getting the bookings of my career counselings. Okay, so if you want to be on that queue, kindly book the session, so that I can let you know the date and timing of the counseling sessions. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you everyone of you. Bye bye, take care, and kindly subscribe, kindly follow, kindly if you are on Instagram, kindly follow my page, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you see the video on my YouTube channel, kindly follow my Facebook page if you watch it out on my Facebook page. So wherever you are watching, kindly follow me or subscribe me. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Bye bye. It was just a counseling update which I wanted to tell you guys one-on-one basis. Why? Because I'm getting this month is being booked with counseling sessions more. Okay, so I'm telling you that counseling sessions have actually started by Vasoul counseling. Okay, so you can book your sessions as well online. Okay, so it will be conducted via WhatsApp video call. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see ya.